Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all you Halloween lovers out there. If you're looking for the perfect accessory to complete your Scarecrow costume, look no further. We're excited to present what we believe is the best Scarecrow Straw kit on the market, the Wizard of Oz Straw Kit Costume Accessory. This officially licensed accessory from the classic Wizard of Oz is designed to transform your costume into a truly authentic look. The kit comes with everything you need: a neck piece, 2 wrist ties, and 2 leg ties, all crafted from high-quality polyester. This means that not only does it look great, but it's also durable enough to withstand a night of trick-or-treating or any Halloween party. Let's take a closer look at how easy it is to use. The long pieces in this kit measure approximately 41 inches, while the shorter ones are about 30 inches long. That means you can easily adjust them to fit most adults and children. Simply wrap the ties around your wrists and ankles, and drape the neck piece around your neck. Voila! You're instantly transformed into a charming scarecrow ready to wander the yellow brick road. What makes this straw kit truly stand out is its attention to detail. The straw-like appearance adds that rustic charm you want in a scarecrow outfit, making it perfect for Halloween gatherings, costume contests, or even themed events. Plus, it's lightweight, so you won't feel weighed down as you dance the night away or enjoy the festivities. And the best part? This accessory isn't just for adults. Kids can join in on the fun too. Whether you're dressing up as Dorothy, the Scarecrow, or just want to add a whimsical touch to your Halloween ensemble, this straw kit is versatile enough to fit all ages. Now, if you're worried about finding this item, you'll be happy to know it's widely available online. The price is incredibly reasonable, making it a fantastic addition to your Halloween budget. Plus, with fast shipping options, you can get it just in time for the spooky season. So, if you're ready to elevate your Halloween costume this year, head over to the link in the description below and grab your Wizard of Oz Straw Kit costume accessory. Trust me, you won't regret it. That wraps up today's review of the best Scarecrow Straw Kit out there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more product critiques, and share your Halloween costume ideas in the comments below. Until next time, happy haunting and stay safe out there.